Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Hazwan Izati and today I will teach about one of the topic from chapter 2 Chemistry Form 5 which is homologous series. Okay, so after this lesson, pupils will be able to first explain homologous series, second construct molecular formulae and structural formulae and name the members of the homologous series. So, what is homologous series? Okay, homologous series is the series that have same general formula, same functional group, same chemical properties, have consecutive members differ by one carbon atom and two hydrogen atoms, which is CH2 or relative molecular mass equal to 14, and their physical properties that gradually change from one member to the next. Okay, so this is the table that shows the homologous series that will be learned in this topic, which are alkene, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid, and ester. So each of the homologous series have their own general formula, have their own functional group. Okay, so first for alkene, the general formula for alkene is CnH2n plus 2, which n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, okay, this is the functional group. As you can see, it have a single bond between carbon atoms. Okay, this homologous series is a saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, second is alkene. The general formula for alkene is CnH2n, which n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, the functional group for alkene, as you can see, it have a double bond between carbon atoms, and it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, the third one is alkyne. Okay, the general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2, and n is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, then you can see there is a triple bond between carbon atoms, and um, this also an unsaturated hydrocarbon, same as alkene. Okay, next is alcohol. Okay, the general formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. Okay, you can see that there is OH behind. So this OH is the functional group, which we call it as hydroxyl group. Okay, okay. Next is carboxylic acid. Okay, the general formula is CnH2n plus 1 COOH, where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So it has for carboxylic acid, the n must start from 0. Okay, as you can see, the functional group for carboxylic acid is C double bond OH. So this functional group is called carboxyl group. Then lastly is ester. Ester, the general formula for ester is CmH2n plus 1 COOCnH2n plus 1. So this is the combination of two homologous series, which is alcohol and carboxylic acid. So you will learn this later. Okay, as you can see, the functional group is C double bond OO, which is the name of this functional group is carboxylate group. Okay, for next topic is the topic about molecular formula, structural formula, and the nomenclature of homologous series members. Okay, first you have to know what is molecular formula and what is structural formula. Molecular formula is a chemical formula that shows the type and actual number of atoms of each element in a molecule, while structural formula shows the type of bond and how the atoms in the molecule are bonded to each other. Okay, so from this table, you can see the molecular formula of methane is CH4. Okay, so this is how the arrangement for CH4, the electron arrangement in methane. Okay, and this is the structural formula of methane, and you can see from this structural formula there is one carbon atom that bonded together with four hydrogen atoms. Okay. Okay, next, the names of the members of each homologous series in the straight chain according to the IUPAC nomenclature consists of two components, which are first the root name. The root name, which represents the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain, and suffix, which represents the homologous series. Okay, you can see clearly from these two tables. Okay. Table 2.4 and 2.5 below show the root name of the members of homologous series according to the number of carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain and the suffix of homologous series members. Okay, from the table 2.4, you can see the root name is different based on the number of carbon atom, which for the number of carbon atom 1, we call it as mate, and at for 2 carbon atom, prop for 3 carbon atom, boot, paint, heads, head, op, non, and dead. Okay, and in table 2.5 shows the suffix of homologous series members. Okay, which for homologous series alkane, the suffix the name of um the compound will end with n, and for alkene will end with in. Alkyne, ein, alcohol, all, carboxylic acid, oic, and ester, oic. Okay, so you can scan this QR code below to learn more about alkene, alkyne, alcohol, carboxylic acid, and ester. Okay, then you also can watch this video to learn more about the concept of homologous series. And that's all from me. Thank you.